Okay, Andre, what do you think?
Enak rek.
Waduh, ini buka rahasia. What's the name of it in China?
I think you can call it 炒鸡蛋. 炒 means to be fried, and 鸡蛋 that means eggs. So.
Oh, but in Indonesia, Zidane is a football player from France.
Football player.
Yeah.
From France.
Zidane.
Oh.
Okay, so are these pink?
Yeah.
Yep. It's like what we had yesterday, but it's chopped chai.
Yes.
Chopped chai.
Halo Sobat Deka, ketemu lagi di channel The Karanganjar. Kali ini saya ditemani seorang volunteer yang kalau kita lihat mukanya, tebak ya, dia dari mana ya? A. From Korea, B. From China, and C. From Pasar Atom Surabaya.
I come from China.
Yeah. Okay, it's Dylan, right? Dylan or Dylan?
My name is Dylan.
Dylan,
Yeah.
but doesn't sound like Chinese name.
Yeah, because I want other people to remember my name better, so I don't really tell other people my Chinese name.
But what is your Chinese name?
My Chinese name is Li Wenlong, and kind
What?
of hard, right? Li Wenlong.
Li Wenlong.
Yeah, you got it.
Long, but long isn't long is dragon.
yeah, dragon.
Oh, so you're a little dragon.
Oh, thank you.
Can you do the dragon kung fu?
Not really.
Rasis, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, so Dylan, are you from Beijing or where?
Yeah, I come from somewhere close to Beijing, but not Beijing.
But it's in the Hebei.
Yeah, Hebei province.
Okay.
I come from the capital city of Hebei province. The capital city.
What is the capital?
It's called Shijiazhuang. Yeah.
Shijiazhuang.
Yeah, hard, right?
Yeah. Okay. Does it have a Western name like your name?
No, not really.
Okay, so today we will try some Indonesian Chinese food.
Okay.
Are you hungry already?
A little bit.
Okay,
I can't wait.
yeah. Okay, 吃饭了吗？有吗？
Yeah, 还没有。
还没有。Okay.
Inilah 7 keunikan dari wisata di Karanganjar Blitar. Yang pertama, bangunan zaman kolonial yang masih terawat. Yang kedua, jangan lupa mampir ke kamar Bung Karno ya. Yang ketiga, kita bisa kasih makan burung dara. Yang keempat, kita bisa kirim kartu pos lewat Priven Bus. Yang kelima, kita juga bisa kuliner istimewa loh. Jadi lapar nih. Yang keenam, kopi spesial dari perkebunan sendiri. Waitersnya bule loh. Dan yang terakhir, kita juga bisa berfoto jadul ala noni Belanda.
Okay, so Dylan, you have this in China.
Yeah, we do.
Is it really similar to this?
Pretty much the same.
And what's the name of this?
The Chinese name is called baozi.
Baozi.
Yeah, baozi.
We call this bakpao.
Baha.
Bakpao.
Babao.
Babao. Yeah.
Okay.
And in China, what is usually the inside of the
baozi.
baozi?
Yeah.
So what is inside the baozi?
All kinds of fillings like pork, or sometimes other vegetables.
Yes.
Depends
Okay. Try one it.
on. Okay. I'm gonna take a small bite.
Jadi namanya baozi. Baozi?
Yeah. Baozi.
Is in chicken?
I can't really tell what the filling is, what the meat is. But I've never. This is my first time trying a sweet baozi.
Is it sweet?
Yeah, it is.
Can we exchange?
Sure. Like.
Ini ayam loh, masuk sweet. Ono koko situ ya. From 1 to 10.
How would I rate? Right?
Yeah.
Well, I like this one better, and I would give it a 7. Okay.
7.
7.
Okay.
So.
Ready? You want to try this? Yeah. Bakpao.
Baozi. This one is chocolate.
Agak.
Tadi keputusan. Try the chocolate one.
Yeah, that's chocolate.
Chocolate.
And this one I think bean or something. This is not meat. Langsung diserbu oleh para cewek-cewek guys. Ini bule-bule geragas juga ini. Don't eat all. Dylan, we still have a long way to go.
Okay.
I don't want you to be full.
Okay.
How do you say delicious in Chinese?
好吃。
好吃.
Yeah.
好吃生清平. Oke. Ini makanan kedua. Okay. Have you seen food like this?
Well, I've seen similar ones, but exact the same one, I don't think so.
Okay, so this is who cooked this?
My mom.
Yeah.
Your mom?
So this is my wife's cooking. So let's see if similar to what happened in China.
Hey, thank you.
Oh, wait. How do you call this in China?
The vegetable, you mean?
Yeah, the whole
dish?
food.
I don't know the name of it because I don't think I've seen the exact same one.
Yeah.
But I can tell that the vegetable is called yangcong. That's as far as I can say.
It's like a onion.
Yeah, onion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Try.
Okay.
Agak makan? Chicken.
Tak lah.
The chicken,
Yeah.
pretty sweet.
It's not common with food in China.
Well, from the region where I live, it's not really that common. But maybe in southern areas, it's pretty common.
Okay, so Dylan, from 1 to 10.
I'll give it 8.
You give 8 because it's my wife cooking.
Oh.
You're afraid of her.
Oh, with your wife's cooking? Okay, now it's not 9. Okay. I forgot.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oke guys, masakan yang ketiga. Dan kali ini kita ada volunteer lain dari Rumania, Andre.
Hello,
Andre.
hello.
I know that you're hungry.
Thanks.
So since now we have 2 plates, yeah, I think it's better that inviting 2 person. So okay, this is another menu in the OG Cafe. Have you seen things like that in China?
Yeah, I have. I think I have.
Yeah.
Yeah, the crackers and even the fried rice.
Yeah.
I've seen them.
And how do you call it?
This one is called 炒饭 in Mandarin, and this one is called 虾片.
But
The overall,
yeah, overall.
it's just a combination, so I don't think there's a name for it. But this one,
Chao fan.
yeah, this particular dish is called 炒饭, and this one is called 虾片.
But chao fan is different with mi fan.
Yeah, different. 炒 is like to fry. Yeah, to be fried.
Oh, okay. So the same.
Yeah,
Because
that
in
makes
Indonesia we call this nasi goreng. It's literally mean chao fan. Yeah.
Tadi nggak kena.
Okay, Andre, what do you think?
Enak rek.
Waduh, ini buka rahasia.
Ide Karanganyar, wisata edukasi lengkap, ada edukasi kopi, mulai dari penanaman sampai ke penyeduhan. Edukasi budaya, di museum sampai belajar gamelan, juga aneka permainan outbound yang asik. Bisa juga belajar bahasa Inggris sama volunteers loh. Kalau udah capek, makan siang dulu ya, Dek.
Gila, aku wis ngomong bahasa Inggris aja. Malah konangan mangan iki.
Ayo. Lali.
Black iki waduh. Malah ngomong bahasa Jawa. Ya wis kadung konangan.
Ya wis,
Lanjut.
ya.
Ya apa luwe?
Yuk, ngayan Pak.
Luwe ya. Nah, iki aduh. Ini namanya Andre Bugar. Bule Garum. Dari Blitar, asli Blitar ini ya. Ya.
Nih ya.
Mau tapol rek.
Kamu lapar nggak?
Lapar. Makan ya.
Ya. Paruan sama Om
Iya,
Andre.
Om Andre, Om Bule Garum.
Bulgar.
Okay, so Dylan, you rate this from 1 to 10.
I'll give it a 9.
9. Wow. Okay.
It feels like home because back home I eat something like this very often, so it feels like home too. That's why it deserves a better score.
Okay. Andre, berapa? Awas yo, ngekei biji endek-endek pecat nih.
Aduh, tapi jujur lihat, jujur aja. Ini enak apel yo 9,5 lah.
Wah, si iki pinternya nang nobos sih.
Lane ya.
Asli. Monggo.
Well.
Oke, makanan selanjutnya ya. Oke. Any food like this? Aduh. Any food like this in China?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one is called 炒面. The previous one is called 炒饭, and this one is called 炒面. Mian means noodles.
Oh, say.
Yeah.
Yeah, we call this mi.
Me.
Yeah.
Okay.
You say mian?
Yeah, mian.
Mian, no?
Yeah, mian.
Okay.
Mian fun.
Okay. Because in Indonesia we say mi. If mian is a lady, the name is Mian Uno, the mother of Sandiaga Uno.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay.
So in China, we also have 炒面, but we don't usually make it so sweet like this one. So the taste is kind of different. Even the cooking style is very similar, but the taste
This is different.
Yeah,
Okay.
a little bit different.
Okay, Andre.
Oke.
Rumput mana?
Dylan. Rating time.
Yeah.
Rating time.
Oh, it's time to
Yeah.
rate. Sorry.
1 to 10.
Okay. I'm also going to give it this 9. It tastes a little bit different, so I'm not kind of very used to it. So especially as a northerner, I come from China. I'm a northerner. I'm not used to eating something that is way too sweet like this one. So I'm gonna give it a 9.
9? Andre.
Emang enak sih?
Yo enak, yo pol.
Nilainya piro?
Menilai ini aku gak jago-jago.
Enggak apa-apa.
10 aja lah.
10. Ini pinternya nono bos ini. Nah, jadi teman-teman ini adalah menu-menu dari Ogi Cafe yang bisa kalian pesan kalau main sini, dan yang masak adalah Ebray dan teman-teman ya. Gitu. Okay, another food.
Okay, is it seafood or something?
What?
Seafood? No.
Is there seafood? No, it's
okay.
just chicken and meatball,
Okay.
chicken. So similar like this in China?
No, I don't think I've seen something like this. Okay. I really like the texture of the chicken. It's kind
Ayo.
of hard.
Mr. Randu Pak Gundul, ayo coba.
Calon DPR.
Enak belum?
So how do you say this in China?
How do
You
I
don't
say
have-
this?
Yeah, you don't have this.
Yeah, we don't have this.
We call this chapchai.
Chapchai.
Yeah.
Chapchai. What does it mean?
The meaning is chapchai.
Okay.
Okay. So ladies, any of you want to try this? The vegetable?
Oh, I literally jump in. Okay, so are these big?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like what we had yesterday, but it's chap chai.
Yes.
Chapchai.
Oh, it's very good. Can we do this every day? No.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, time to rate.
Okay.
9.5.
You.
9 because I like the chicken like pie more.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
because of that, but it's very good.
Okay. 9.5. This is my favorite so far.
Oh, so far because it is a savory than sweet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Really like the taste. that previous one was the only dish cooked by your wife. The previous one, the previous chicken and onion.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, I should have given it higher. So I didn't know. I forgot.
Then you have to be honest. Come. And you can try it because this is egg, pure egg. Yeah.
Lapar, Bang.
Oke, Aga boleh coba dulu. Kamu udah lapar banget ya. Aduh, kasihannya anaknya papa. Oke, have you seen?
I think I have, but I don't know if there's a name for it. But I definitely tried similar dish.
What's the name of it in China?
I think you can call it 炒鸡蛋. 炒 means to be fried, and 鸡蛋 that means eggs. So.
Oh, but in Indonesia, Zidane is a football player from France.
Football player?
Yeah.
From France?
Zinedine Zidane.
Oh, I have no idea.
Okay, try this.
Okay.
In Indonesia, we call this Fu Yong Hai.
Fu Yong Hai. Okay, okay.
Does it has meaning in China? Fu Yong Hai?
Maybe, but I'm not sure. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Gonna try.
Sana saus.
What is Fu in China?
Fu, that means rich, I think.
Rich?
Yeah.
Yung?
Yong, that means forever.
Forever rich.
Yeah,
And,
yeah.
Okay,
I
Fu
think-
Yong Hai forever rich and hi.
Yeah, that makes some sense.
Sekali. Wah, ya. Tangan tadi.
You should have kept your wife's dish to the last.
Okay, so this food is completely safe for vegetarian.
How do you say vegetarian in Chinese?
素食主义者.
Okay, so okay, you can eat this if you can repeat what he said.
四十鸡爪，四十鸡爪。
Almost. Actually, it's pretty far off.
So they cannot eat this.
素食主义者.
四十鸡爪。
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but no, right. Okay. So what is it? It's egg.
Egg.
Ooh, carrot. And what's the
Like
sauce?
carrot. Like a tomato sauce.
The Karanganjar coffee.
Okay, rate it.
What?
Rate it.
Rate it out of 10. Okay. 7.5.
7.5.
I don't know. I really like the sauce. I'm taking another bite. So it's it's like a sweet tomato sauce. Yeah, tomato. Tomato. Yeah, that's like 8.1 out of 10.
So, a Fu Yong? What were you saying in Chinese? How do you say this in Chinese? But
What did you say?
Fu Yong Hai.
Fu Yong Hai.
Fu Yong Hai.
Yeah.
Okay. And does it have an Indonesian name?
Fu Yong Hai.
Yeah. Same. Okay, got it.
That's the Indonesian name, but it doesn't sound Indonesian.
Yeah, it's really good. Thank you.
Oke, jadi teman-teman itu ya tadi konten kita makan siang Chinese food nyoba bareng Dylan. So, share to try our.
Oh, you're welcome, 不客气. It's my pleasure.
Oke teman-teman, sampai jumpa di konten The Karanganjar berikutnya. Jadi sekali lagi teman-teman kalau mau makan, kalau ke sini nggak cuma bisa ngopi, tapi juga makan ya segala masakan yang kita tadi coba di sini. Oke teman-teman, sampai jumpa lagi. Salam ngopi, ngolah pikir.